Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup video and a quick one, something easy. So I wanted to show you guys my go-to makeup. Now what I mean about that is the makeup that I always do no matter what or where I'm going. If I am going to my friend's house, if I'm going to a bar, if I'm going to the movies, if I'm going out to eat, this is what I do. The products might change, but the way I do my makeup does not. Now if I'm just like going to the store real quick or like nothing spectacular, then I'm just going out just like this, bare face, or I'll put a hat on, or I'll just like do my brows and that's it. Without further ado, let's get into my go-to makeup look. The first thing that I do, I put my hair up. Well, I clip it up because I don't want nothing in my face. And when I'm saying that, my hair is coming out. Oh Lord. No matter if I'm putting makeup on or not, I always put this pineapple seed bright serum on my face. This is to smooth my face and to brighten it up and also give it a glow. And my hands are clean. Just tap it on all over. And I love putting this on because since I do have dry skin and it's getting colder, anything to give my skin some moisture is a plus for me, and the glow. Like, it's just so amazing. It smells so good also. So after applying this bright serum, I use this inexpensive moisturizer. That's so good. It's from e.l.f., the Daily Hydration Moisturizer. This is what I do all the time. Even when it was summer, I apply, well, I didn't apply this because I didn't have this, but I always apply a little bit of this. I use less in the summer, more in the winter because, you know, the difference, but I always use this because no matter what, I still have dry skin in the summer. I'm gonna do my brows now. I'm not gonna tell you how I do my brows. You're just gonna see. It's like, I mean, it's just doing brows. I don't think you want me to go step by step for doing my brows, so I'm just gonna do this really quick. Just to let you know, I still use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and the Brow Gal by Sonia Crooks, the powder. I just felt like I had to say that. After I do my brows, I use the High Brow from Benefit to clean up my brows on the bottom. Now that I'm done with my brows, I'm gonna go back to my face again. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of the MAC Strobe Cream. Since, you know, I want that glow, this is perfect for it. Even though I'm already glowing, but still want some more. I apply the strobe cream everywhere, but I don't apply so much to my bronzer area because I'm going to apply bronzer. Now, there are times that I don't apply bronzer, so I will apply a strobe cream everywhere, even in that spot. Next, I will be applying some concealer, and I love this concealer. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer in Light Sand. This is a light coverage concealer. I love it because it's hydrating and it's not mattifying, so it gives it more of a glow. And when I do this, I don't apply a lot. Even though it's lightweight, I don't apply so much. I don't apply no concealer on my lid. I leave it like that, natural. I really don't have a problem with how my lids look. Next, some mascara. Okay, the mascara I'll be using is the Tarte Big Ego. I'm gonna use this once, I think, and it gives a natural look to your eyelashes. If you want something to pop more, then you know, you apply something else. I go back and forth. Sometimes I just like my lashes to curl but look still natural, and then I will use a mascara that makes my eyelashes look, you know, dramatic. So it depends on how I feel. I'm going to curl my lashes first and then apply mascara. So this way and what I'm gonna do now, like what I'm gonna add now, they're both my go-to makeup. It's just depending on how I feel. This is my go-to makeup, a natural, easy, quick 1, 2, 3 look that you don't have to apply so much. You don't have a lot of makeup products. And then what I'm gonna do now to finish my face up is when I really want to give it a little bit more extra oomph to the look, you know? So yeah. Hopefully that made any type of sense. To give this look a little bit more oomph to it, I'm gonna apply some eyeliner, and I'll be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Now I'm going to bronze up my skin, and I'll be using the Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. This right here, this beautiful palette. I am going to use this between these two bronzers. They're matte. This is a matte highlight but gives it a glow. I love using this for the nose because it like sets down the concealer but it also gives it a glow, like a slight glow. So I'm gonna do that right now. Use my finger like I always do. I always use my finger for things, and I just tap it on. Now I'm gonna apply some bronzer. Not that much. I say that now and then I do it, but I like to look bronzed up, you know? I'm gonna use the same bronzer so I can contour my nose. I'm going to use some blush, and this is from Ofra times Madison Miller. This is the blush, is called Sweet Stuff. Sweet Stuff. This is how it looks. I take the blush into the bronzer so the blush and bronzer could be seamless, and it's not like blush here and then bronzer back here. I want it to mesh with each other. For highlight, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. I haven't used this in a while because I was like stuck on one, but I'm going to pop into this one because I used to love this one, and that's what I mean about me jumping, like taking different products. When I do this, I want to mesh this all together. I want it to soak together and become as one, you know? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my setting spray. This is from Morphe, the continuous setting spray. I love this setting spray. I just love it so much. It just melts all the products in together, and it just gives it more of a glow. It like umps everything to another level, you know? So yeah, I'm just gonna apply some of this. This combination that I do on my lips, I absolutely love it, and so many people always ask me, oh my god, what lipstick are you using, and blah 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 blah. So my lip combo is this right here. This is from Dosa Colors. This is the collaboration with Desi times Katie. This is Aftermath and Hey Girl. I just love this color. This one is called Aftermath. So Aftermath, I apply it all over my lips, and I apply Hey Girl in the middle. So this is my go-to makeup look. I just absolutely love this because it's not so much you have to do. So the one thing I realize is that even if I'm not applying highlight or blush or bronzer, I would still do the lip because I just love this lip combo. It's so beautiful. I just love it. I can't. And the reason why I put Hey Girl, that's the lighter color, in the middle, because it gives my lips more of a pout. So that's why I put it right here. So this is the end. This is my go-to makeup that I never get tired of. I always do this, and I just love it. I love it when it's not with all the extra stuff, and I love it when it's with all the extra stuff. So this is the end of my video. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed. If you like this video, please give my video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you have any questions or just any comments, just comment below and I will answer you. So yeah guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night. Please be safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.